We're here at the Fairfield on a beautiful lake setting. This particular home sets beautifully on the site. It's 54 feet wide. It really holds the site beautifully, yet gives you ample space in kitchen, family, dining. The real spectacular part of this home is the setting. And as you walk through the back doors, you open up to a beautiful screened porch, out to patios that really work their way down to the water and just open up views throughout the home. While this home is relatively compact, it is literally packed with bedrooms. There's a bunk room that sleeps 6 in the front over the garage. There are 3 guest suites on the 2nd floor. There's a guest room in the front of the home on the 1st floor, and an incredible master suite with a lake view on the rear of the home. One of the unique characteristics of this floor plan is the kitchen opens up to this beautiful island, which in fact takes the place of a typical traditional table and seats 10. It's also a great place to gather around with company and friends, and then it opens to the screened porch, which of course has another dining table outside. The porch and the outdoor living space is really where people want to be.
Now this is truly a fun, spectacular home. Just can't help but feel joyful. It has pockets of yellow sprung through it, and it just really makes the whole home come alive. It is what they call a transitional home, where they take old world meets contemporary, and they have done such a marvelous job blending those two styles. And then you come out here on the porch and you get to see how they've blended in our screens into this design, and it is just absolutely fabulous. They haven't missed one design piece at all. The way that they've created the columns and with the corbels and with the little touches of finishing to them, it is absolutely one of a kind. When you're designing your dream home and outdoor living is important to you, one of the things to consider on the outdoor porch, it is important to have an access way off your deck. And so they've done a wonderful job on this deck of being able to incorporate that to allow for access on and off the deck to go into this beautiful lakefront area that we have behind us. Just by being able to screen this room, it does expand the home by over 450 square feet. When you come out into this deck, it just gives a very large extra living space from what you would call outdoor living, but really feels indoors when you're in here. In fact, they even have a TV out here. They spend lots of time watching sports, what have you, Sunday morning. It is truly an area where it gets lived in. These screens have been in use all summer long, and when we got here today, they were in perfect condition. But of course, there is in the air, there's dust flying, other debris, and so the screens will probably at the end of this year need a little bit of TLC, and with some soft soap and warm water and light rub across the mesh, they will be clean just like they were new. Thankfully, even though this home is located very much in northern Michigan, with a phone call, Phantom Screens distributor is here to help them. They'll be there for you to support our warranty program that's leading edge of our industry. Whether you find yourself building that castle in the country or the lakefront cottage you've always wanted, we have the screening solution for you.